AI can answer something in seconds, but that doesn't mean you're learning it. Welcome to the final episode of Prep Like a Pro. This time, we're focusing on how to use AI effectively as a study tool. Let's get straight to it. Starting with how most people use AI. You type, "Give me the answer." You read it and you move on. It feels productive, but nothing sticks because you skipped the thinking part. Now, let's flip it. Same tool, different approach, using our key study techniques. Instead of asking for the answer, ask AI to test you. Try this prompt. Now you have to think and remember. That's retrieval practice in action. You can also use it to plan your study session with spaced practice in mind. Now you're spacing your learning, which helps it stick, and having a plan takes the pressure off and makes sure you cover everything you need to. Or practice interleaving topics with this prompt. Now your brain is comparing ideas, not just memorizing them. You can push a bit deeper with elaborative interrogation. Here's a useful prompt. You're now understanding concepts rather than rehearsing a passage of text. You can do all this within one study session, enhance your understanding, strengthen your memory, all while saving time. Let's take it one step further. Can you beat AI? Start by asking it an exam-style question, but don't look at the answer yet. Now, let's answer it first. No notes, no hints, just like the real thing. Explain why lactic acid builds up during exercise. Here's my answer. Lactic acid builds up when you exercise because your body doesn't have enough oxygen. This makes your muscles hurt. Now, let's see AI's answer. Lactic acid builds up during intense exercise when the body cannot supply enough oxygen to the muscles. As a result, anaerobic respiration occurs, producing lactic acid as a byproduct. This can lead to muscle fatigue. Now, compare the two. What did I miss? What did it do better? Let's improve our answer, not copying AI, but upgrading what we've already written. Lactic acid builds up during intense exercise when the body cannot supply enough oxygen to the muscles. As a result, anaerobic respiration occurs, producing lactic acid as a byproduct. This can lead to muscle fatigue. That's the difference. We didn't copy the answer, we improved our thinking. So when it comes to AI, don't let it think for you, use it to strengthen your memory. Over the past 4 episodes, you've learned how to study differently, not by working more, but by working smarter. So next time you sit down to study and it feels overwhelming, you'll know what to do. And that is how you prep like a pro. See you next time.